All right, everybody, here we go. We are on Past Performance tab. This is another tutorial video for SAMstream so that we can get our past performance together because sometimes on government projects, they ask for past performance. Once we have them saved in here, we can add these to different bid packets as we're sending them out, and it just saves these in here in a really nice formatted edition. This is going to be a pretty quick tutorial, but all we need to do is if we're adding new ones. Now remember, you can use private industry contracts that you've done. If you've done janitorial for the lady next door, but you haven't done it for the government, make a past performance document for that. If you're using a subcontractor, you can legally use their past performance. Make a document for that. And then as you land more projects, you can make more past performance documents and be adding to those. It's very simple and straightforward. Add new. This is any projects that you've done before. What was the title of the project? Who's the POC? Who is the point of contact? Who are they going to call or email to verify that you did a job and that you did a good job? If there's no solicitation number, leave it blank. If there is no company or department, leave that blank. Or put in a description. Make sure you give us a description of the project as much as you can. When did it start? When did it complete? What was the initial cost? Was there any add-ons? And what were those add-ons or any major issues? Was it completed on time? Was it completed adequately? And always try to get feedback from that POC. Whoever was in charge of that project, whether it was a homeowner, whether it was the contracting officer, whether it was a person at the company you worked for, try to get them to write a little bit of feedback so that you can put this in here, and then also the feedback type. And all you have to hit is generate document. And what it does is it starts saving these in here and puts these into a really, really nice format that you can upload, you can change, you can add your logos, you can do anything. It's fully editable, but it just makes it so that the government can look really quickly and see who you did the job for, what was the job you did, how much was it for, when was it done, and who do they get a hold of to verify all of these different things. So this is important and just makes it easier. I always had to have my past performance on my computer. I'd have to go dig them out. They are all saved here. You can also download these. You can edit these. You can regenerate them. You can do any of those things. And that is part of the past performance tab. And if you don't have any, it's all right. There's plenty of projects where they do not ask for past performance. And I've gotten into many industries having no past performance. I've also used past performance of subcontractors that I was using for that project. So once again, you guys, this is how we do past performance and how you add those. We will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.